This how you're starting 2026 with over $53,753 profit from a tiny $20,000 deposit, and you're ready to withdraw over $19,150, which is almost our deposit in 3 months of trading. This video is meant for people that are interested to start using the Forex board to trade. We will break everything down, how we make this possible. If you check this trade history here, you notice we started this account just 3 months ago, and within this week, let's check this together, check this out with me. So far in a week, we are already sitting on over $7,819 profit in 1 week of trading without our effort at all. This is 7 days, which is this week, right? So let's kindly check how much we make so far today. Today we make over $647 profit on gold, only on gold, without lifting a finger at all. And we've also checked for the past 1 month, how much do we make within a month? Over $33,700 make within 1 month of trading. If we check our loss, you notice there's no high risk involved, and here we go, we only withdraw $7,000 within a month, just to pay some bills. And within 3 months, let's do custom to see when we deposited on this account. We deposited on this account last year to date. Let's see how much it makes. $57,700 from a tiny $20,000 deposit. So drop it on the comment section the day you were able to make this amount on your trading account with a trading bot. Just stay with me to the end. I'll break everything down, how the bot trade, how the bot look like, the bot interface, and how you can take advantage of this. And also, if you check our trade history, you notice it closed more than 5,000 or 10,000 open positions within 3 months. It trade almost every day. And these are all the trade history within 3 months, only on gold. And this is how we are able to come up with over $57,000. And let's kindly move to our laptop to see how the bot look like. Here is the bot on our VPS, simple and smart. AVU community AI bot. And if we check our trade history here, you notice $57,710 profit. Tell me the last time you were able to make these. Our deposit only $20,000, withdrawal $19,150 profit. So let's kindly check out the settings that make this possible, and also the risk management we are using. If you check this is the bot settings, and where we are putting our lot size. You can see this, right? 0.15 lot size, right? 0.15 lot size. You can check this out. Let's also check out the particular settings that control the stop loss, our equity guardian EA. This particular one here is installed together with the bot. It control our risk management. You can see the returns we make today within this week, over 80% this week, and it just close out some position. It automatically stop the bot. If you check the settings of the equity guardian here, you notice our stop loss is on 10%. What this means is that anytime a drawdown get to 10% of our account, it automatically shut down everything and keep our account safe. Before you know it, repeat again. Within a short period of time, recover all the loss, protecting us, at the same time helping us to stay consistent for long period of time, and with no possibility of blowing our account. Let's also check out the full trade history on our laptop. You can see this 58,000 total balance, $58,560 our total balance, and this all the trade history, loss, profit, loss. You can see how clean this look like. This is how clean it is. Loss, profit, $200, $100, $150, 200, 400, minus 600, minus plus 600, man. And this all the take profits. Anytime our take profit hit, you can see this. The pair is trading only gold, and also the lot size 0.15 lot size on all the open position. And here we go, 57,000 in profit from a tiny $20,000 deposit, followed by 19,000. This means that we already withdraw almost all our deposit. The good news is the bot is available for all our community members. So if you wish to join us, trade with the bot, gain access to the bot, I will be more than happy to help. Kindly check the video description. You will see access to join our Telegram community. Also reach out to us on WhatsApp on how to download it. Let's see how we can make more money together this year without risking our account.